children, today we are going to learn name of the birds. So let's start. Before learning the name of the birds, let's know some fact about birds. You know children, birds have wings. They can fly. They have a beak. They eat with their beak. They lay eggs. So now let's learn name of the birds. Crow,
Crow,
owl,
owl,
duck,
duck,
woodpecker,
woodpecker,
parrot,
parrot,
eagle,
eagle,
nightingale,
nightingale,
toucan,
toucan,
peacock,
peacock,
duck,
duck,
bulbul,
bulbul,
hen,
hen,
robin,
robin,
sparrow,
sparrow,
penguin,
penguin,
hornbill,
hornbill,
swan,
swan,
cock,
cock,
pelican,
pelican,
dove.
dove.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like, then please subscribe. Thank you.